Hello, welcome to my page Insperia Do It Yourself. Today we are turning one simple word love into a colorful piece of art, just with a few dots. I am starting to write the word love in here, but of course you can do any word you want. You can also write a name or a sign like a heart or infinity sign or something like this. I also did it with the names of my children, and I also did it together with my children because this is really easy and anyone can do this. So as you can see, I'm starting with just some colored stripes, and I'm using 4 different colors, but if you want you can also use more. You can also use 5, 6 or 7 different colors, maybe 8, 9 or 10, just whatever you want. And you start with just simple stripes. As you can see here, this is the last color I am using, and it is very important that you don't see the lines anymore of the word you were writing with your pencil. So if you're done with all the stripes, you can erase the pencil lines, and as you can see, the lines are gone, but the word is still very clear. You can absolutely see that this is the word love. So after this, you are going to put some black dots on every colored stripe you put on this paper, and because this will become puppets, they need some arms and legs. So you are going to draw some arms and legs, and it's very simple. You just put some stripes on the bottom, 2 stripes on the bottom and 2 stripes on the side. So we don't making feet or hands. So really anyone can do this. Like I said before, my son is 7 and he's also doing this. So it's also a very nice craft to do with your children. So you can see all the puppets has arms and legs now. Sometimes I forget one, but on the way you find him and then you can give him arms and legs. So when you finish, you can do some shadow with a pencil, and I'm just putting some stripes and then going over it with my finger, and then it's fading away a little, and it's making a very nice shadow effect, which is also taking care of the 3D effect at the end. And I will show you when I'm finished. When you keep this painting a little on the side, you will absolutely see a very beautiful 3D effect. So I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you in the next video, and until then, turn inspiration into creation. Bye bye.